I've been called to look at a washing machine that's not spinning. I travel every day in the city, making sure that my clients get to do their laundry. The machine usually breaks down way before the client notices. But before I use my tools, I try to understand why the machine is not working. It's amazing how a simple sound can tell me everything. The motor is spinning, which means the carbon brushes are okay. Sounds like a belt issue. All I have to do now is open the machine. By removing the top panel, I get to see if the belt is still on the wheel. In this case, I already know it's not, so I have to remove the back panel. We can clearly see where the leak is coming from. By putting back the belt, this allows me to check the drum movement. Now I have two problems to deal with, the bearings and the heating element. As expected, the bearings are gone. Will this machine be saved?